Hey guys, welcome back. And this time we are going to go through the pop method for arrays. In our earlier videos, we have seen how to add items. Now we are going to see how we can delete items or elements within a array. Now, pop method is used to remove a particular item at the specified index value from an array. Now, in this method, if we'll not provide an index value, it will remove the last element by default. A negative can also be, a negative indexing can also be passed as a parameter to this method. But you need to see to it that you have to specify an index number which is within the range, or it will come up with an index error. Okay, let's see the syntax first and we'll quickly jump onto the examples. So the syntax for this particular thing is the array name. Let me format it a bit. So you have the array name dot pop, and then you have specified the index number, which from which the element has to be deleted. Yeah. So it is an integer value which accepts as a parameter, which is mostly the index number, which is within the range again. Yeah. So let's see a basic example of pop method. So what we are doing here is I have imported the array, since we know we need to import the array first, and then we are creating an array which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are using the same example. I have this original array. Then I'm trying to pop an item with an index number 2. So index number 2 is 3. So 1, 0, 1, 0, index is 1, first index is 2, and the second index is 3. So I'm trying to pop the second index, so which is the 3 as an element. And then we'll check the updated array. So you see this? Since I have popped the second index, it has removed the element which is 3 from this particular array, and we got the new array without that particular element as 1, 2, 4, and 5. Yeah. Now let's use the same example, but this time we'll not specify the without index number. Yeah. So I'll not specify which element to be deleted. So by default, it will delete the last element. So let's see what is the output. So here we can see the original element was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since you have not specified the index number, it has automatically deleted the last element within the array. That is 5. Yeah. We can also delete item using negative indexing. So if I have to delete the same number 3 using negative indexing, then it would be -1, -2, and -3. So let's try to negative indexing. So what I have to specify is -3 to delete this 3 from the array. So let's see whether I'm able to get the same output as I have been earlier. You can see this. So my original array was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my updated array with the element 3 deleted using negative indexing. Same way we had done it with positive indexing by specifying 2. Yeah, because it starts with 0. So 0, 1, and 2. From The right hand side negative indexing always start with -1. It doesn't have 0. Okay. So you can delete items using negative indexing as well. But as I said, if the element is or if the index number is not present, suppose pop method if we try to specify index number which is out of range, then it will then we will encounter index error. Okay, so here we have 5 items. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the last index. Suppose I try to pop the 7th index number, which is not available. Yeah, so it should give me a index error. So you say pop index out of range, index error. Yeah, so you need to see to it that you pop an item which is within the range if you are specifying the index number, or it will come up with an error, which is an index error. Hope you understood the concept which has been explained to delete or remove a particular element from an array. Hope you like this video. Do like it. Share it with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Comment if you have any views or feedback, or if you want to share your knowledge on this particular method with other colleagues. But do not forget to subscribe to my channel in case you like to get such kind of informative and simple videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.